church doesn't look so old. Parts of it do. The old windows up there. We'll see inside. Maybe it's just been rebuilt on the outside. Wow. Wasn't expecting that roof. Morning in Anda on our second day, and it's breakfast time. Get our breakfast here. American breakfast with pancakes. Werner's typical Filipino breakfast. Ooh, syrups. Yum, let's eat. It's a bit windy. We were here last night. Didn't walk through here, but yeah, there was something set up here earlier. We probably missed it. I could hear it earlier this morning. A lot of stalls, stage, and I could hear them because we're staying just over there, just behind those trees and up a bit. But this is just down from where we were eating breakfast, closer to the beach. There's the municipal hall. A lot of things were set up. Looked like the fire brigade was doing something over there. There's all their hoses, displays. As you can see, lots of things must have been going on, but it's still going on, just. Hopefully tomorrow as well, or maybe later there's something here. Might go take a look inside the church. Let's go. Church doesn't look so old. Parts of it do. The old windows up there. We'll see inside. Maybe it's just been rebuilt on the outside. Wow. Wasn't expecting that roof. Wow. Okay, now we'll look at the Central Park here, just across from the church, which that roof is amazing. And where we were before with all the little businesses, tents set up. And this is the main square, I guess. park, and that will be Jose Rizal, the icon of the Philippines. I guess he's their first national hero. Anda. There's a children's playground here as well. Nice little area. And this is where we were last night. The Municipal Hall. Because we came down here last night to here. The Anda Food Park. Beach over there. Let's take a look. And it's open during the day. Look at that. And the beach. You see, straight there. Get your food. Come down to the beach. We're staying up there, a couple of 100 meters. So it's much cooler here under the Palisade trees. They spread all the way along the beach, giving you some amazing shade. Fortunately, they drop a lot of leaves, but still, these are the spots you want to be. Beautiful, comfortable to sit here even on the hottest days. These trees change the temperature by huge amounts, 5 to 10 degrees sometimes. So this is a bit further up the beach. So you buy all your stuff there, sit there, there's little cabanas and things you can and the location is just near that square over there where all the businesses were. The water's very shallow, out for a long way. This is at the Anda market. We'll have a look inside in a minute. Follows. It's like the one I used to have.
They're actually cheap here. It's 80 pesos.
Sa kaparehohan!
Okay, that's the market done. We didn't look at any food. because we don't want to buy fresh produce. We got to find a specific souvenir. Pasalubong. Pasalubong is basically souvenir. Bring it back for everybody when you go somewhere. Beautiful. Unfortunately, sunset's the other side of it, where we are. But yeah, it's beautiful anyway.